Welcome friends. In this video some more examples, that is very important examples on unit step function I am going to discuss here. How to convert a discontinuous function to a unit step function and hence how to find its Laplace transform using a very important property. Here f of t is equal to sin t for 0 less than or equal to t less than pi and sin 2t for pi less than or equal to t less than 2 pi and sin 3t for 2 pi less than t. This one I have to express in terms of unit step function and hence find its Laplace transform. To convert it into unit step function, it is very simple. In a single step I can do, that is f of t equal to f1 of t. Property I have discussed in my previous videos. Sin t, first function as it is, plus for second and first function discontinuous point is pi. Therefore sin 2t minus sin t into u of t minus pi plus third and second function discontinuous point is 2 pi. Therefore I can write it as sin 3t minus sin 2t into u of t minus 2 pi. Okay, this is my discontinuous unit step function. How to convert a discontinuous function to a unit step function. Its Laplace transform I have to find out. Okay, therefore Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of sin t separate plus Laplace transform of sin 2t minus sin t into u of t minus pi. Okay, plus Laplace transform of sin 3t minus sin 2t into u of t minus 2 pi. Okay, then separate Laplace transforms I have to find out using the property, very important property I am going to use again here to find the Laplace transform, that is Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is given by e to the power minus as into Laplace transform of f of t. F of t minus a is shifted to f of t. Okay, using this property one by one Laplace transform, so I will calculate here. First one, consider Laplace transform of sin 2t minus sin t into u of t minus pi. Okay, to find out this Laplace transform, comparing with this, my f of t minus a is this function. Therefore f of t minus pi is equal to sin 2t minus sin t. To get f of t from this, let me call it as f1. To get f1 of t from this, let me put t is equal to t plus pi. Then f1 of t plus pi minus pi is equal to sine of, be careful here, 2 into only t is replaced by t plus pi minus sine of t plus pi. Therefore f1 of t will become sine 2t minus 2 pi, sorry, plus 2 pi, sin t 2t plus 2 pi minus sine of t plus pi. Sin t will remain sin t due to this pi and allied angles, but due to in third quadrant it will become minus. Okay, now like this same thing I have to use here. Sine of 2 pi plus 2t will become sin 2t as it is, but it is in the first quadrant again. 2 pi means 360 degree. It is in the first quadrant. Therefore in first quadrant all are positive. Therefore it is a sin 2t minus of minus plus sin t. This is my f1 of t. Let me use this here. Using this property, e to the power minus pi s into Laplace transform of f of t. Its shifted property is sin 2t plus sin t. Okay, that is e to the power minus pi s into bracket Laplace transform sin 2t is 2 divided by s square plus 4 plus sin t is 1 divided by s square plus 1. This is Laplace transform of first function. Like that, Laplace transform of second function I have to find out now. Next, consider second function. Consider Laplace transform of sin 3t minus sin 2t into u of t minus 2 pi. This one I have to find out its Laplace transform. Again, it is a discrete unit step function. Therefore, let me consider f2 of t minus 2 pi equal to t minus 2 pi. This is f2 of t minus 2 pi equal to sin 3t minus sin 2t. Okay, therefore I have to find out f of 2 of t from this. Let me put t equal to t plus 2 pi on both sides. Therefore f2 of t equal to, I am going to get sine of, only t is replaced by 2, not 3. 3 into t plus 2 pi minus sine of 2 into t plus 2 pi, which will become sine of 3t plus 6 pi minus sine of 2t plus 4 pi. Okay, then using allied angles I have to find out this sine 3t and okay, 6t even number is there, 6 pi even number is there, therefore sine will remain sine only. To check its positive or negative sign, I have to just, let me draw this for your understanding purpose here. This is 0, pi by 2, and here pi, and it is 3 pi by 2. Again 2 pi will come here. Okay, again 3 pi will come here, 4 pi will come here, again 5 pi will come here, 6 pi is coming to the first. Again 6 pi is nothing but again in the first quadrant only. 6 pi plus t, first quadrant, therefore it is a positive sine 3t only. Okay, like that for second one, 4 pi, again it will become minus, already is there, sine 2t. Okay, 4 pi is coming here, 4 pi plus t, again in the first quadrant, therefore f2 of t will remain the same. This is my f2 of t. Using this, I have to find out its Laplace transform. That is equal to e to the power minus as, a is 2 pi minus 2 pi s, okay, into Laplace transform of f2 of t. This is a sine 3t minus sine 2t, which is equal to e to the power minus 2 pi s into Laplace transform of sine 3t is 3 divided by, okay, 3 divided by s square plus 9 minus 2 divided by s square plus 4 is the Laplace transform of my second term. Combining all the three terms together and writing it once again, I am going to get it as a, therefore final answer Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of sin t, that is 1 divided by s square plus 1 plus Laplace transform of second term e to the power minus pi s into 2 divided by s square plus 4 plus 1 divided by s square plus 1 plus third term is e to the power minus 2 pi s into 3 divided by s square plus 9 plus, sorry, minus 2 divided by s square plus 4. This is the required answer, Laplace transform of a given function. Like this, one example I am going to give you. That next example is using unit step function find the Laplace transform of f of t cos t between 0 less than 0 and pi, and cos 2t between pi and 2 pi, and cos 3t for t greater than 2 pi. Just pause the video and try to solve this and check the answer. Only answer I am going to give you here. The answer, last final answer is Laplace transform of f of t is given by s divided by s square plus 1 plus s into e to the power minus pi s into 1 divided by s square plus 4 plus 1 divided by s square plus 1, like that, minus plus s into e to the power minus 2 pi s into bracket 1 divided by s square plus 9 minus s divided by s square plus 4. Sorry, s 1 divided by s square plus 4. Just try this answer. Okay. Another example I am going to solve here for your reference. My next example is using unit step function, find the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 2 for 0 to 1 and t square by 2 for 1 to pi by 2 and cos t for t greater than 1. This particular example has been asked in December 19 or January 20 question paper of VTU exams. Okay, this particular example has been asked in this particular question paper. Now, to solve this one, I have to express it in terms of unit step function. Therefore, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to, first, f of t is equal to 2 plus second function minus first function, t square by 2 minus 2 into u of t minus 1, because 1 is the discontinuous point, plus cos t minus t square by 2, second function discontinuous pi by 2, therefore u of t minus pi by 2. This is how to express in terms of unit step function. Using this Laplace transform I have to find out easily. Therefore, Laplace transform of f of t is Laplace transform of 2 plus Laplace transform of t square by 2 minus 2 into u of t minus 1 plus Laplace transform of cos t minus t square by 2 into u of t minus pi by 2. Okay, for my convenience, separate Laplace transforms let me consider and then substitute here. Therefore, consider Laplace transform of t square by 2 minus 2 into u of t minus 1. To apply that shifting property, my f1 of t minus 1 is equal to t minus 1. Therefore, this is f1 of t minus 1 is equal to t square by 2 minus 2 they are given. To find out f1 of t, let me put t is equal to t plus 1. Therefore, f1 of t is equal to t plus 1 the whole square divided by 2 minus 2. Simplify this. That is t square plus 2t plus 1 minus, I will take LCM as 2, it will become 4 whole divided by 2. Therefore, final answer I can write it as my f1 of t as t square plus 2t minus 3 whole divided by 2. Using this, I can write it as e to the power minus 1s into Laplace transform of its f1 of t is this, that is t square plus 2t minus 3 whole divided by 2. Okay, this Laplace transforms I have to find out, that is e to the power minus s divided by 2, I can take outside, Laplace transform of t square, gamma function of 2 plus 1 divided by s to the power 2 plus 1 plus 2 into Laplace transform of t, gamma function of 1 plus 1 divided by s to the power 1 plus 1 minus 3. Laplace transform of 3 is 3 divided by s. Simplifying this, e to the power minus s divided by 2 into bracket gamma function of 2 plus 1 is 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. 2 divided by s cube plus 2 into gamma function of 1 is gamma function of 2 is 1 factorial 1. Therefore, it is 2 divided by s square minus 3 divided by s. This is the Laplace transform of first term. Like this, Laplace transform of a second term I have to find out. Okay, consider now. Consider Laplace transform of cos t minus t square divided by 2 into u of t minus pi by 2. Okay, to find out its Laplace transform, here f2 of t minus pi by 2 they are given, t minus pi by 2, therefore this will become f2 of t minus pi by 2 equal to cos t minus t square divided by 2. Here let me put t equal to t plus pi by 2 so that I can get here f2 of t. Therefore f2 of t will become cos of t plus pi by 2 minus t plus pi by 2 the whole square divided by 2. Simply expanding this one, cos of t plus pi by 2 is cos of t plus pi by 2. Due to this pi by 2, cos will change to sine. Allied angles sine t, t plus pi by 2, it is in the second quadrant. Pi by 2 90 degree plus t, second quadrant. In second quadrant sine is positive but it is cos, therefore it is a negative I am going to get. Okay, due to second quadrant cos sine I have to take, therefore it is minus sine t. Okay, minus expanding this 1 by 2 I will take common outside, expanding this t square plus 2 2t into pi by 2 plus okay, this is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is pi by 2 the whole square. Using this here I can write it as e to the power minus as. A is nothing but pi by 2, therefore minus pi s divided by 2 into Laplace transform of this term minus sin t minus 1 by 2 into t square plus 2 cancels, that is pi into t plus pi square divided by 4. Its Laplace transform to find out, that is e to the power minus pi s divided by 2 into Laplace transform of minus sin t, that is minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 minus into bracket minus 1 by 2 into Laplace transform of t square, gamma function of 2 plus 1 divided by s to the power 2 plus 1 plus pi is constant, gamma function of t Laplace transform of t, gamma function of 1 plus 1 divided by s to the power 1 plus 1 into, this is constant, that is a pi square divided by 4 into 1 by s is the Laplace transform. Let me simplify this. Okay, next step is e to the power minus pi s divided by 2 into minus 1 divided by s square plus 1, or you can take this minus outside, I can write here plus minus, and multiplying this into 1 by 2 inside, later I can multiply 1 by 2 into gamma function of 2 plus 1 3 is 2 factorial, 2 factorial is 2, 2 divided by s cube plus pi into gamma function of 2 is 1 factorial, that is 1 divided by s square plus pi square divided by 4s. Okay, and multiplying this 1 by 2 inside, we'll get the required answer. This is for the second term. Okay, like that. Next, combining all the three terms together, therefore Laplace transform of f of t, I can write it as Laplace transform of 2 is 2 divided by s plus second term e to the power minus s divided by 2 into 2 divided by s cube plus 2 divided by s square minus 3 divided by s. This is a second term. Like that, a third term is here. Minus plus, actually right, due to this minus I am writing this minus e to the power minus pi s divided by 2 into bracket 1 divided by s square plus 1 plus, let me multiply this 1 by 2 inside, that will become 1 by s cube plus pi divided by s square 2 times s square plus pi square divided by 8s. This is my required final answer of a unit step function. Okay, please subscribe my channel, give the comments, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends.